One cloudy afternoon, Phineas and Ferb were watching old videos of their childhood. Phineas said, "Wouldn't it be cool if we could send messages to our future selves?" Ferb nodded, already drawing something in his sketchbook. By evening, the brothers had built a time capsule AI, a small silver box with buttons, voice recorder, and a display that said, "What do you want future you to know?" But this capsule had a twist. It was connected to an AI program that could predict future trends, thoughts, and feelings based on your current input, Phineas explained to their friends. "We're not just saving memories. The AI reads your goals and writes you a letter as if it asked from your future self, motivating you to keep growing." Candace rolled her eyes until she read a letter from her future self. "Dear Candace, you finally became a scientist, and Mom is super proud. Never stop trying." Baljeet entered his goals. "I want to invent something important," and the capsule replied, "Dear Baljeet, your solar-powered school bag helped thousands of kids study better." Isabella smiled as she got her letter. "You led your own space mission, and you still care about your friends." The AI used words from their current dreams, emotions, and values to imagine the best version of them in the future. Ferb said it helps kids believe in themselves. "It's part science, part hope." Then Phineas added, "Your future starts with what you believe today. This AI just reminds you of that."